Hello everyone and welcome to another video weather briefing from National Weather Service San Diego. I'm Stephen Harrison, forecaster, and today I will discuss the upcoming storm system for late this weekend into next Monday. A strong trough of low pressure will move across Southern California Sunday into Monday, producing moderate to locally heavy rain, mainly over and west of the mountains and the high deserts, and moderate to heavy snow in the mountains. This image shows the total precipitation amounts from the California-Nevada River Forecast Center. Although details are yet to be determined, there is the potential for a half an inch to an inch and a half in the coast and valleys, 2 inches or more in the mountains, a quarter inch in the high deserts, and a tenth of an inch in the lower deserts. Snow levels will start out at around 6,500 to 7,000 feet Sunday morning, then drop to 5,000 to 5,500 feet Sunday afternoon, and finally down to 4,000 feet Sunday night. Significant snow accumulations will be possible above about 5,000 feet, with light accumulations down to 4,000 feet. Winds also look like they will be fairly strong, with gusts of 55 to 65 miles per hour in the mountains and deserts, with some locations possibly reaching 75 miles per hour or greater. Winds this strong could produce damage and down trees and power lines, in addition to creating hazardous driving conditions for high-profile vehicles. Gale force winds will also be possible over the coastal waters. These winds, in addition to large seas of 12 to 15 feet, will produce dangerous boating conditions for mariners. The coast and valleys will also see some gusty winds as well, especially at the immediate coast, where gusts could exceed 40 miles per hour. Finally, I wanted to mention a large surf we are expecting. This graphic is the experimental swell model forecast for Friday from the Scripps Institution of Oceanography's Coastal Data Information Program. The graphic shows large swell heights from the west-northwest impacting the coastline. This swell is likely to produce high surf of 6 to 10 feet with sets to 12 feet along southern San Diego County beaches and northern Orange County beaches Friday through early Saturday. An even larger swell, but with a shorter period, looks to impact the beaches with more high surf late Sunday into Monday. The high surf and strong rip currents will create dangerous swimming conditions along with beach erosion. Waves may overtop jetties and seawalls at times. Thanks for watching this briefing. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and view our videos on YouTube. Also, check out these links to help keep track of the weather. Have a nice day.